How to fix Pokémon TCG Pocket error code 10202007. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 10202007 in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you're using a VPN, the first thing you should do is disconnect it. Now try launching Pokémon TCG Pocket again and see if the error goes away. If you're not using a VPN but still getting the error, try resetting your network. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi and try launching the game again. Still not working. Switch to mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi and use your cellular network instead. This helps if your Wi-Fi is causing connection issues. Next, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. On Android, go to the Google Play Store. On iPhone, go to the App Store. Search for Pokémon TCG Pocket and make sure no update is pending. If you've tried all of the above and the error still shows up, it's possible the servers are down. In that case, all you can do is wait for a few hours and try again later. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more fixes. That's all for the video.